If you're not good at color grading, in Kdenlive you have some effects that you can simply apply to your video, and you have something like this. From this kind of a bright green to this nice pale color like this. So let's see how we can do that. In Kdenlive, once you place your video on the timeline, go to Stylize Effects, and under Stylize, you have one of the effects which is called Color Effect. So simply click that and drag it to your video. And you can see already here, it changed the color, but that's not what we want. So here in the type, simply select one of these to the best that you want. I want to use the old photo. So you can see this nice mild color that I want here. But that's not all. I need to apply another effect to get this color. So let's go back to color and image correction. And if you want to, you can apply the basic curve to simply make it a little bit more crystal or contrast like this. And the next thing I want to do is to use one of the HSV here. So I want to use the HSV hold. So just place this one in, and you can see it changed the color. But from the saturation, I want to crank this up to 1 there. And in the blend, that's what the magic happens. So you can see, change this to nice pale color like this. I crank it all the way to 100, and this is what I have. Okay, so there you go. You know how to do that now. You can do that. Thank you again for watching. See you back again in another video.